Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using iDrive Password Manager. Exploring the iDrive Password Manager, a user's perspective. If you're searching for a dependable and secure way to manage your passwords, then this look at iDrive Password Manager is for you. iDrive Password Manager is a robust tool designed to bolster the digital security of both individuals and businesses. It offers a comprehensive solution for storing, managing, and safeguarding your passwords, eliminating the need to rely on memory or risky practices like writing them down. This password manager boasts cross-platform compatibility, allowing seamless data synchronization across a range of devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. A key feature of iDrive Password Manager is its robust end-to-end encryption. Your data is encrypted locally on your device before it's uploaded to the cloud, ensuring that no one, not even iDrive, can access your sensitive credentials. The user-friendly interface presents an intuitive dashboard that simplifies password organization into categories. It also generates strong, unique passwords and effortlessly autofills login details. Furthermore, a built-in password health checker identifies weak or reused passwords, helping you strengthen your overall security posture. For families and teams, iDrive Password Manager facilitates the secure sharing of specific passwords or secure notes without compromising sensitive information. The added convenience and security of biometric login, using your fingerprint or Face ID to unlock your vault, is another compelling feature. So, who is iDrive Password Manager for? It's ideal for anyone prioritizing convenience and robust security in managing their digital lives. Whether you're an individual juggling numerous personal accounts or a business owner safeguarding critical data, this tool adapts to your specific needs. Its competitive pricing makes it a cost-effective choice compared to similar password management solutions. In conclusion, iDrive Password Manager is a feature-rich and secure solution for all your password management needs. Its clean interface, advanced security measures, and flexible options make it a top contender in its category. Check it out using the links below and take a significant step toward securing your digital life today.